Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. My focus is to incorporate more protein, more fiber, and more healthy fats in my life, and I'm here to share some recipes that have been working for me with you. So it's Sunday and I typically like to meal prep a few things, and today I'm going to meal prep a pumpkin spiced baked quinoa. So I have made a baked quinoa in the past and it was a blueberry peach version, which I will include here for you. But the recipe is fantastic because you actually throw everything in a pot, you put a lid on it, and you throw it in the oven. You can use whatever milk you like, you can use whatever sweetener you like, and it's very little amount of sweetener. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a really great vegetable. It's nutrient dense, but it's also very high in fiber. So it's something really great to include in your diet. The pumpkin spice or spice mix that we're using has actually quite a few anti-inflammatory spices included. So it's a great thing to have in your pantry and to throw in with your oatmeal in the morning, your yogurt, whatever you like. It's just a really nice thing to have. I actually made a pumpkin cottage cheese loaf a few recipes ago, and I showed you guys how to make your own pumpkin spice mix. So I'm going to include the measurements in the description box for you again, but if you want a really great pumpkin loaf, I'll include the video here for that pumpkin cottage cheese loaf. It's really delicious. So today's recipe is very simple. I love to actually meal prep this, keep half for the week, and then I would like to freeze the other half for another week. So let me show you how to make this really delicious and easy pumpkin spiced baked quinoa. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grab an oven-safe pot that has a lid. This is a Dutch oven. I'm adding 1 cup of pumpkin puree. You can also do a cup of sweet potato as well. This is 2 cups of milk with 2 tablespoons of butter. You want your milk and your eggs to be at room temperature. That's important here. We're going to add 2 eggs. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice mix and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I use Ceylon cinnamon. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of good quality maple syrup. You can use whatever sweetener you like. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And we're going to give everything a good mix. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of white quinoa that has been rinsed thoroughly, and we're going to mix that through. You could also add a scoop of your favorite protein powder in this mixture. Vanilla would be great, or even an unflavored for extra protein. And we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of chopped pecans. You can also use chopped walnuts or chopped almonds, whatever you like. Even pumpkin seeds would work here. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to bake at 375 for 50 to 60 minutes until the liquid has completely absorbed. Just put your spoon through and you can just see whether or not all of the liquid has absorbed, which it has. And you can see this really beautiful fluffy texture here. Now let's make a pumpkin spice yogurt topping. I love to eat my quinoa pudding with yogurt, so this is half a cup of Greek yogurt with about a teaspoon of maple syrup, a dash of pumpkin pie spice mix, and about half a teaspoon of good quality vanilla. And that's it. You're just going to give that a good stir. I like to add it to my pumpkin baked quinoa, and it's a perfect breakfast. Enjoy our pumpkin spiced baked quinoa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this pumpkin spiced baked quinoa, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.